Hey everyone, welcome back to Live Well with Yoel and welcome to my bedroom where for today we are doing a low impact workout where it's going to be intense, but you can do this in your bedroom where no one downstairs can hear any noise. So this will be great for when you're in your room, or if you're in a hotel or student accommodation, wherever you may want to keep as quiet as possible whilst getting a sweat on. So today is going to be a 20-minute HIIT session. It's going to be 40 seconds on, 20 seconds off, 5 exercises, 4 rounds. The first exercise is going to be 2 squats into 4 powerful stepping high knees. So it's going to be a deep squat, and then 4 slow high knees, but really squeeze the core. So do that for 40 seconds. Just getting the timer going. Just going 3, 2, 1. Squat, squat, squat. 1, 2. So step, but really squeeze the core each time you step. So this is really good, as this workout is going to be really quiet, so no one, the neighbours, can hear you. The only thing you'll hear is you breathing, and if there's any squeaky noises from the floor. But you get yourself a mat, so really it'll be good. So a few more. Okay, next is going to be half burpee into elbow to knee. So we're going to be step, step, down, step, step. So bring step up and down, and then the elbow to knee movement. I'm going to repeat that 40 seconds. We're going down, so step, step, right elbow, left elbow, down, step, 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 da, da. Left down, left up, right elbow to left knee, left elbow to right knee. So this way we're not doing any jumping, we're just placing, and we're still getting a great sweat on. So it's still really good for the whole body, and we don't disturb anyone in the house or anyone in the hotel. Okay, next is going to be walk out into press up. So neutral position, walk down, I'm going to press up and walk back up. Hopefully you can see me in that camera angle. If not, when you see me down there, I'm doing a press up. So walking down, I'm doing press up, walk back up, stand up and back down, press up, back up. And then we'll do that 40 seconds. Up, down, press up, da, da, down, up, down, press up, and up we go. Last rep. Okay, now we're onto our backs, onto our bums. So we're going to do a glute bridge, which works the bum, and then we're going to do an ab crunch. So we're going to do glute bridge up, and we're going to bring a nice ab crunch. So bring our legs to the knee, and glute bridge for 40 seconds. So glute bridge, bum to the sky, down, and ab crunch. So working the bum and the core. So bring bum to the sky, squeeze the core, up. So it's like a nice movement, sequence of movements here, but really each movement focused on squeezing the bum and focused on squeezing the core. A few seconds. Okay, and the last one is going to be 8 uppercut punches into 2 reverse lunges. So, and then reverse lunge, reverse lunge. So 8 punches into 2 reverse lunges. So bend the knees because it helped you, and then right, left, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Really strong punches up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the lunges, of course, got the legs. So 8 punches, 2 reverse lunges. Nearly done our first round of exercises. Down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's done. So that completes our first round of exercises. We have 3 more to go. Obviously it's hard to fit everything in because it's a room. My room isn't that big, so excuse if you're missing my head, but you hear my voice, you see the movements, that's good. We're back to 2 squats into 4 powerful high knees. So squat, squat, 1, 2, 3, 4. So those high knees, I really want to bring as high as you can. And with every high knee, I want to really tense those abs. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 deep squats. 4. So the best thing about this is you can do it anywhere, not just your room. Last one. Okay. We'll rest. We go into the half burpee into elbow to knee. 20 seconds rest. This is a good killer. I'm going to be sweaty after this. 20 minutes, HIIT workout, bedroom, anywhere, no equipment required. Half burpee, up, step, step, and then elbow to knee, straight back down, half burpee, back down, up, down. Hence why I'm in my socks, because I'm comfy. I don't have to wear shoes in my room. It's kind of nice. Step, 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 and up, and up. Step, 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 step. Tap, tap. Step, 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 step. Tap, and tap. Oh, last one. Okay, that's nice. Soon we're into the walkout press ups. We can get some water soon. So this is a good upper body, shoulder, tricep, chest movement. Get the mat nice and straight. So walk out into press up, and walk back up, and back down, and back up. Keep this up, get into the straight back, and then press up, squeeze your chest, and up we go. Nice, keep it up. Last rep. "20 seconds. Had to edit something on my phone because I didn't record it for 12 minutes. So I had to quickly pause over, record it again, get straight back into it. Go back into the glute bridges. Oh, the ab crunch, completely forgot. So glute bridge, ab crunch. Squeeze the bum, squeeze the core. Squeeze the bum, squeeze the core. Nice sequence of movements. Find comfy position. Keep it up. Last few squeezes. And then back on our feet for 8 uppercut punches to 2 reverse lunges. I find it easier if you bend your knees whilst you do your punches, so you can go into a reverse lunge without going back to straight to legs to bend legs again. So bend the knees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Reverse lunge. reverse lunge. You keep your knees bent whilst you're reversing the lunge. Reverse lunge, reverse lunge. So really powerful. 8 punches. And down, and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Down, down. 1, 2. Keep it going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. Keep up. 2 seconds left. 1, 2, 4. Okay. Water bottles next to the camera. So halfway through the room workout. 10 minutes left. Let's keep this up. We're back into 2 squats. It's 4 powerful high knees. Squat, squat. 1, 2, 3, 4. Really powerful on the way up. Knees to chest. So normally I'll keep the window open, but obviously it'll affect the audio. So I'm going to be sweaty in this room. 4, 5, squat, squat. 1, 2, 3. Last 2 squats. 1, 2. Nice. Means half burpee and elbow to knee. Whew. Let's keep this up. No equipment required. This is what I love about this workout and about my HIIT workouts. So elbow to knee. Go. Down, down, up, up. Elbow, elbow. Down, down, up. Elbow, elbow. Down. Step, step, step. Step, 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 step. Let's go a bit faster. Keep us up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step, step. 4, step. Keep it up. Deep breaths. Last one. Step, step. Okay. The walk out into the press up. Heart beating fast. Working hard, this is good. Okay. We're going in a few seconds. Let's go. Walk out, press up, walk back up. Really sprint on the way up and down. You squeeze the chest on the way up as well. This is really working the triceps, the shoulders, and the chest in a movement. So keep this going. Deep breaths. Nice. Onto our backs, onto the bums for the lovely sequence of glute bridges, ab crunches. Try and get our bums as high as we can to the sky. Okay, few seconds. Position arms and up and crunch. So squeeze the bum, squeeze the core. Up, up. Keep it going. Few seconds left. Keep squeezing. Last one. Nicely go. Okay. 8 uppercuts into 2 reverse lunges. Bend those knees. 8 strong punches. 2 beautiful reverse lunges. We're going in a few seconds, and then we've really done the 3rd rep. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 1. Really powerful punches. Reverse, reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Reverse. Nice and fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. Reverse, reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Reverse. Keep going. Keep punching. Nice and strong punches. If you look at my wall, it says positive thinking leads to positive actions. Hopefully you can see that. Remember, last set, positive thinking, positive actions. Let's think positive. Let's smash these last 5 exercises. 2 squats into 4 powerful high knees. 1, 2, 3, 4. Squat, squat. 1, 2. Really find your focus. Really push yourself in your room, wherever you are, in a hotel, university accommodation, at home, kitchen, bathroom. Push yourself. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last 2 squats. 1, 2, nice. 2, 3, 4. Whoa. Sweaty, 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 sweaty. Okay, half burpee, elbow to knee. Just keep us up. Okay, let's go. So down, down, up, up, elbow, elbow, down, down, up, elbow, elbow. Keep us up. Down. Really squeezes the core when you're touching the elbow to knee. If you can't touch your knee as well, don't worry. Get as close as you can. Keep going. Keep pushing. Down, down, up, up, elbow, elbow. Down, down, up, up, elbow, elbow. Last set. Okay. Walkouts into press-ups. Get some more if you need. 3 exercises left. Let's do this together. So walk out, press up, walk back up, and then walk back out. Yeah, keep this up. Up we go. Jazz hands. Back down. Up. Keep it up. Keep fighting. Last 2. 1. Let's squeeze one more. Yes. Yes. That last one in. Okay. To the bum. Okay, let's keep it up. 2 minutes left. Let's keep this up. Glute bridges to ab crunch. Squeeze the bum. Squeeze the core. Breathe from as high as you can. Come on, remember, positive thinking leads to positive actions. Think positive. Keep pushing. Keep fighting. Keep squeezing. A few more. More exercise on our feet. Into the 8 uppercuts. 2 reverse lunges. 40 seconds left. And then we're done. Our 20-minute HIIT room full body workout. Bent knees. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I want to give you everything I want you to give me everything you've got. Strong punches, strong reverse lunges. Don't stop. Keep pushing. For the legs burning. Keep fighting. Keep punching. Lunge. Lunge. Keep pushing. Don't give up now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow. Last set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.